everyone, my name is Carlene. I'm here with Rustic to teach you the split image technique that we do at our events for when you're doing a background image and a saying over it. What I've got here is a tree, and we're going to be actually just cutting it in half with a pair of scissors once your transfer tape is on the tree. This is something that your instructors can also teach you. And once you have your two split pieces, we're actually going to just flip them here like this and put them down on the edge of the sign. So I'll demonstrate that quickly for you. You just peel away the backing and then place your tree down on this side, half the tree. Just let it overhang a little bit. Do exactly the same with the other side. There we go. Just like that. Try to make sure that they're lined up. You can measure them too with your ruler if you want to, but if you want to eyeball it, go for that. I would smooth everything down nice and good and peel away each piece of transfer tape. Alrighty. And there we go. So just like this, and then we paint them using our nice little paint technique. You can change colors like you're about to see that we did on our stencil. And I'm gonna put this one away. We did a little bit of pre-work for the video on this sign to show you what it looks like when you put a saying over it. So here we chose the always believe something wonderful is about to happen. This is a really popular stencil that we use. We chose nice fall colors for the trees when we painted it. And I'm going to do a final reveal here for you guys on this stencil. And just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just gonna grab these little pieces right here. I think that's it. Alright, and there we have it. There's our split image with an always believe something wonderful is about to happen. Thank you so much for attending a Rustic Sign Night. Please come to one of our events. RusticSignNight.ca is where you can register. Have a great day.